Thomas Albertua today. In this video, we want to learn how to divide, to carry out a division of decimal by another decimal. Okay, now we are told to simplify this decimal multiplied by this decimal, then divide by another decimal. Okay, so let's carry the question over to this place and we handle it here. Okay, here, see what we're going to do. Here I have solution. Okay, now look at it. Now this question, I want us to manipulate it and write it like, let's write it as 6.75 multiplied by 7.5. All of this thing divide by 0.375. It's the same thing. Like if you write 10 divided by 5, you're going to get it 2. If you say 10 divided by 2, you get, 10 divided by 5 rather. 10 divided by 5 this way, you still get a 2. These are two ways of saying the same thing. Okay, that's why I say all of this is divided by this. Okay, now let's, of course, we are told to do this without calculator. Yes, we are told to answer this question without calculator. Is a wire question somewhere. Yes, a wire question somewhere to be handled to show how this thing can be done without calculator. All right, so that's exactly what we want to do now together. So let's try that together. All right, now let's go. Now this one, let's transform each of these number to fraction. Now over here, we have two decimal places, like two numbers to the right hand side, two numbers after decimal points. So see what I'm going to do. I'm going to say this is equal to, I will write them without the decimal point. Now because there are two digits to the right hand side of the decimal, I will put over 100, 100. Now multiply by, now here, I have one digit to the right hand side of the decimal, so I'm going to write it without the decimal point. That's 7 and 5, 75, all over. Because it's only one digit to the right hand side of the decimal, I'm going to divide by 10. Okay, divide by 10. If you have only one digit to the right hand side of the decimal, divide by 100. If there are two digits to the right hand side of the decimal, divide by 1000. If there are three digits, divide by 10,000. If there are four digits, and so on and so forth. Okay, now, so we are here this way, divide by this place. Yes, how many digits do we have after decimal point? We have three digits after decimal point, so we are dividing by 1000. So write out the digits you can see here without the ones that does not have 0. Okay, it would have been all right even if we copy it like this without decimal points, and then we now say divide by 1000. But you may be tempted to go and to say 0 cancels 0 at the front. No. Okay, so this is it. What will happen is that, let me take away this 0 at the front. Yes. So what, after decimal point, there are three digits to the right hand side. I write a digit. In the whole of this place, I will ask myself, what do you think is not 0 here? 3 is not 0. 7 is not 0. 5 is not 0. So I write them together. 375 all over. How many digits to the right hand side? 1000. Is that okay? All right. Now let's see how it goes. Now let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how it goes. Now let's go now. Over here, I'm going to have 675 over what? 100 multiplied by 75 over 10. Now, over here now, I want to do something. I want to change this division sign to multiplication, and this one will go up, 1000 will go up, and 375 will go down. Let's do. So we have multiplied by, let me be consistent in my, all right. So multiply by, I change this division sign here to multiplication. So it will now become 1000 all over 375. Okay, now let's go. Here I can say 0 should cancel 10 in 1000 there. It's remaining 100. But remember there's 100 here. So 100 into itself, 1. 100 into this 100 again is 1. 75 and 370 and 375 should be connected. Yes, they should. Or this one and this one, either of them, or use 5 to cancel. Okay, let's try out 75. 75 times, this number is ending with 5. So let's try either 3 or 5. Let's use 5 and see. So 75 times 5. 5 times 5 is going to be what? 25. So write down 5, carry 2. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2 is 37. Okay, that's a very good one. So we're going to say 75 into itself is 1. 75, how many group of 75 can you see in 375? Is 5 of them. Okay, so everything now reduces to 675 times 1 is the same 675 times 1. We have 675 all over. 1 times, over here it has cancelled. 1 times 1 is 1, times 5 is 5. So we can now finish up the job. Now, over here, if you check very carefully, the numerator ends with 5. It means that it's divisible by 5. Yes, divisible by 5. So we can say 5 here, 1. How many 5 can you see in, let's begin to write the answer here and put the remainder up. How many group of 5 can you see in 6? Is one of them, remainder 1. So put that remainder 1 in front of 7, so that you take it like 17. Now, how many 5 times can 5 go in 17? How many group of 5 can you see in 17? Is 3. That's 3 times 5 is 15, remainder 2. Put that remainder 2 in front of 5 and take it as 25. How many group of 5 can you see in 25? Is 5. Okay? Now, we can now say, we can now do our conclusion by saying, let me look at the question very well, 6.75. So we can say, therefore, 6.75 multiplied by 7.5 all over 0.375, right? Yes, 0.375, we are saying is eventually equal to 135 is the answer to the question. Please, I want you to confirm this. Pick up your calculator and go back to the original question and confirm this. Just use your calculator and confirm this. Multiply 6.75 by 7.5. When you get an answer, go ahead and divide it by 0.375. And your answer should rhyme with this one. Okay? So let me give you something to try. All right, we are here. Your own is very, very simple. Please don't run away. Make sure you do this, and then you put the answer. Let me know in the comment section. Is that okay? Yes. All right. So manipulate this without calculator. This is also a YA question somewhere. So manipulate this without calculator, and then please do well to fix the answer in the comment section. Please do well to like, to share, to subscribe in my YouTube channel if you are here to do so. To follow, if you are here to do so, please do well to share this material, this video with someone. Tell somebody about Maths Albertwa. Thank you very, very much for staying to the end. God bless you.